Hey, this is Chris Hill with the Manheim Digital Marketplace, and today we're talking about Retail View. Now, oftentimes, clients will be very specific about their needs. They'll have a specific trim level they want, some specific options, maybe a very specific color on a vehicle, and you might not have that vehicle sitting at your lot, which gives you a disadvantage to anyone else that does have that. But using Manheim as your virtual inventory, you can use Retail View to represent that vehicle and potentially keep that customer and let them know that you're going to try to acquire it for them and get that very specific vehicle. So let's show you how that works. So let's say we've got a customer that's looking for a 2021 Ford Bronco Sport, the Badlands. It's got to be the Badlands edition, right? So we're going to go to manheim.com. I'm just going to do keyword just to make it quick and easy, because this is a very, very defined search. And I've got a white one and I've got a gray one, but I do not have the yellow one. That's the one they absolutely have to have. So let's see if we can find one at Manheim. So we'll come down, we'll come down, we'll come down. And look, there is one listed and it has make an offer. It's going to be on OVE. So let's click on that. So you can see that there's this vehicle and it's listed at another dealership. They put it right across the top of their first image. That is not a vehicle, and that image is not something I'd want to show my customer, because why don't they just call that dealership and get it from them? So what we can do though is go to Retail View and click on that. Now we can modify the Retail View. So the Retail View is what it sort of sounds like. It's a view that lacks any type of wholesale marketplace information, has images, has some very basic equipment, shows engine size, displacement, a couple things like that. But it's just sort of an advertisement for the vehicle, something you can send to your customer, put in their customer's hands, whatever, let them know, is this a vehicle you're looking for, because I'm going to try to acquire it for you. But again, I don't want that image right there that shows the name at the top, so I'm going to customize that Retail View. Let's come down here. Let's say I don't want this image and this image and this image right here. Okay. Now I'm going to click on, and you can also make sure your contact information is correct if this is something you're going to email over, something like that. So let's go to Customize. Now, very quickly, you can see that this representation of the vehicle really is for the wholesale marketplace. It's got nothing about who the seller is of the vehicle. It just is about the vehicle itself. Some very basic information that you can put in the hands of your customer and try to keep another deal together.